So here we're going to clock in right to your day. Then we're going to view the job board and pull up a repair order. When we're on the RO screen, I can do lots of things such as update the RO labels, open my odometer to enter that in and out. I can even go in and check to see what customer concerns are, add any if there are more to add. There's also this new toolbox which gives you a variety of data about the vehicle and the customer. If I click on vehicle info, there is a quiet feature we released here, the VIN scanner and license plate scanner, so I can scan a VIN or a plate, decode that vehicle if needed, no more typing, and all of that info is brought right there and I can save that right onto the vehicle. After that, I'm going to close that and go right back to my repair order. Looks like I have an inspection assigned to myself, so let's open that up. We try to make it really easy to get right through your DVI, marking the rating of each task and having the ability to add findings and take pictures or videos of that finding to share with the customer. Here I'm going to illustrate that this tire is really in bad condition, needs replacing. I have the ability to mark up an image where I can add an arrow, a square, a circle, or text. Really drive home the point of what's wrong. Save that, and then this is just a quick example inspection, so I can mark this as complete and notify my service writer. After that, I'm going to back out and go back to the RO. I see that there's already a job that's been approved for work here, the oil change, what the customer wanted done today. I can use a job clock to start my work, review labor and parts. I can go into the toolbox again, check the fluids, make sure that this oil is correct. And we can mark that job complete as well. We have the ability to also add an internal job comment to this work in progress page. So I will do that now. And we can close that comment and make sure it's added there. Great. Backing out from that RO, I also want to point out that in the settings menu, you can add your feedback. So we want to know how it's working for you. And letting you know that we have lots more coming, so please stay tuned to find out more additions coming to the mobile app. Thanks so much.